This video is about writing the code manually for a CNC lathe turning an inside diameter. So we start with G28. That sets our machine back to the machine 0 for both of our axes, X and Z. Then we go to, I have T104 for a tool number, so that's turret position 1 and offset number 4 in the computer. Then we have G00, which is our rapid tool movement. G20, G40, G80 all cancel cycles, and then that may have previously been in use, and then a G99 feet per revolution. Then the next line has a G50, which is max spindle speed, and this time we maxed it at 1600 RPMs. Next line goes to a G96, surface speed of 800. So we have a constant surface speed. That's what the G96 is, and that surface speed is 800 according to our book and info that we have from our tool manufacturers. M3 is spindle on forward. G55 is the offset that I decided to use this time for my tools. Then we go to a Z0 and an X0 and a Z of 1. So that will put us out here in front of the part, an inch, and right in the center. And this is fine as long as your cutter is small enough that you can go to the center. Otherwise you will rub the back side over here when you're cutting. So then we're going to go to a G0 of a Z of 0.1, which is a rapid move. So it's going to move really quickly to within 100 thousandths with X remaining in the Z in the center because X is still 0. Then it's going to do a cut move, G01, which means it's a feed move at a feed rate of 12 thousandths. And it's going to go to an X of 1.2 because it says 1.2 on our print. That's this diameter. And then after it moves, so it's going to move over here and it's going to stay 100 thousandths away, and then it's going to come in and cut this. So our next move is a Z of negative 0.2, as you can see right here. And once it finished, it has a square corner, or as square as we can get it given the radius of our profile tool. So we programmed it to come straight in and then straight back over here to the center. Like I said, that's fine as long as it does not touch over here on the back side. So we programmed it to go back to an X of 0, which is right here, and then a rapid move out to a Z of 0.1 and an M9 to shut the coolant off. At that point you can carry on with another operation, or you can end the program because the part's complete, or you have another setup to do, like flip it over and do this side.